How to start a blog using WordPress and Hostinger. In this video, we'll guide you over those murky waters and get you to the land of easy peasy blogging. So stick around till the end and unearth the golden nugget of launching your own blog with this Hostinger tutorial. First off, you need to come over here onto hostinger.com, sign up. First things first, simply click on hosting, select web hosting. From here, you need to select one of these plans. I recommend going with the premium plan if you're just starting out, because it will allow you to get more websites, more storage. It even gives you a free domain with a value of up to $10. And you also save 81%. You go with it, and it also gives you 3 months free as well. Then if you want to upgrade later on, you can upgrade to the business one as well. So now I have logged into my Hostinger account. I'll just simply come over here onto hosting and we'll click on website. We'll create a new website. Give it a couple of seconds and click on start now. Now you have two options. You can either migrate your existing website or you can create a new one. This video, we're going to go ahead and click on create a new website. And now we have two options. We can either build with AI or start with WordPress with AI. WordPress with AI. You can even go with this. It's actually very simple and easy to use. I've already created a video on it, so you can go ahead and check it out. We're going to select WordPress with AI. We'll set up our login credentials over here with our administrative password, and we'll click on continue. You can even skip it and create an empty site. It depends on you. Then you will have the options to add plugins to your website. You can skip this and manage your plugins later. Now you choose the look of your website, basically a theme or a template. We're going to be choosing Astra since that's the best one there. You can even go with Hostinger blog. It depends on you. Every one you find helpful, you can go with that. For me personally, I like Astra. Enter in your name or brand name and description and you are good to go. Now we just choose the domain. You could go with a free domain like this one right here, Green Walrus. Free domain, you can connect it later once your website is ready. If you already have a domain, select it from this list. If you don't, you can select it from here. For now, we'll skip this domain. We're going to choose the free domain right here and click on select. Now everything looks good. Now we'll just simply click on finish setup. And here you go. Well done. Your website is ready. You can now go ahead and start editing your website. We're just simply going to go ahead and click on admin panel. This is how this website looks like. Looks pretty decent, looks pretty minimalistic, but this is not the website we want. They gave us a random theme to begin with, but this is not what we want. So what we'll do is we'll go to our WordPress dashboard. What we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and install a few plugins. We're going to click on add new plugin, and over here we're going to select Astra, and we're going to select starter templates. We're going to install this right here. And once it's installed, we'll just simply activate it. Installed. We'll now select a page builder. You can choose Elementor or Block Builder or Beaver Builder. I personally like to go with Elementor. So we're going to select Elementor. And over here, we're going to select a theme, a starter template. They have a bunch of different options. Some are free, some are premium. For now, go under the blog category and select a blog. It can be anything. It can be a travel blog, food blog, fashion, influence. It depends on you. For the purpose of this video, select food blog. And now we have some different websites to work with. Some of these websites are premium. They're not exactly free, and some of these don't even look like blogs. So let me just go ahead and select a different category. Let's go ahead and just simply search for blogger, tech blogger, food blogger. I have found this website. This one looks good. It's called Deli Restaurant. So we're going to select this template. You can just simply go ahead and upload your logo over here. So this is the website that we chose. It looks decent, blog type of website where people can come over here, find different restaurants that they like. Click on skip and continue. These are all the colors, the color palette. You can select and mess around with it, change it how you feel like it. You can change the fonts as well. But if you like what you see, then we'll just simply click on continue, and then you'll just fill out this form and submit and build your website. And as you can see, it's installing all the required themes, plugins, forms, and extras. And here we go. Our website has now been completed. Let's go ahead and view it. And this is how it looks like. It's not completed yet because it's a totally different website. I'm sure you have a different vision for it. You can go ahead and change some of the elements. Like you can go ahead and change the heading, the hero section, these about me section. You can add more stuff to it. You can get rid of some stuff. So just simply go ahead and click on edit with Elementor. Let's say we want to delete this section right here because this is a menu section. We don't need a menu section. If all you would have to do is hover over it. Once it's highlighted and you have these three buttons, just simply click on this X button, delete container, and it will delete that section. More sections, you can say you wanted to get rid of this one or add new sections. What you can do is just scroll up wherever you want to add it section. Let's say you want to add. All you would have to do is just simply click on the plus icon to add a container. This will add a small section over here where you can go ahead and add more stuff stuff to it. Just simply click on add new container, and over here you can add these things. So as you can see, this will be a columns. You can add more different columns. So let's say you can add this one, and then you can add a video, text, Google map. It depends on you. And you can find these over here on the left hand side. Now most of these are locked. Of course, you're going to need the pro version of Hostinger. It's actually very simple. And let's say you wanted to add like a basic gallery, right? So you just drag and drop it right here. Here we go. Over here you can add stuff to it, right? You can add different images and link these images to their respective. If you have a bunch of different pages that you want to link these images to, you can go ahead and do that. Add different links, images, click on the button and click on free images, or upload your own image, and then just simply select that image and you should be good to go. You can just simply mess around with it, find your look, and you should be good to go. It's very easy. Hold your hand through this process because it's very simple. Edit the things you want to edit. You have all your options over here on the left hand side. Then we have our website. Let's go ahead and save it, and let's go back our dashboard. What you need to do is you need to add some pages. Over here on the left hand side, you will see you have this section right here called pages. Click on it and you will have these options right here. You can go ahead and delete some of these, add new ones. It depends on you. Let's go ahead and add a new page. Click on add new page. Click on close this bar. You don't really need it. And over here, just simply add in the title of the blog. This is the heading that we go with, and then you can type what you want, all the restaurants, number 1, number 2, number 3, and then just simply save it. So as you can see, I wrote this right here. Now let's go ahead and add a separator. So to add that, we'll just simply click on this plus icon, select separator. If you can't find the separator options, you simply click on browse all, and down below you will find it right here underneath design section. You can see you have this one right here. You can go with the page break if you want that, stack them, row if you want that, or just a spacer. The separator, and then we'll click on the separator. If you want to go with a wider one, just simply click on it and select a wide line. You can select the dots as well, grow them, change their dimensions as well. For now, we'll go with the wide line because I like that. Just simply click on add block, and we'll add a heading, which is this one right here. Down below, we'll choose another block and we'll add the paragraph that we. This looks good. You can even add a small line over here to separate them. You can add a link to this name, to the location of the restaurant if you want that, or you can add it separately like I will show you right here. Click on browse all, and if we can find it, we'll select link. Yeah, here we go. We can go with social icon, select on navigation, add the address right here. I also wanted to add the icon. Let me actually go ahead and search for it like so, and then you can just simply link it. If you don't know how to link it, you just simply click on the link, add the location from the map, just paste it and it will be linked. Then you can just simply go ahead and type add a image for the restaurant. Let's go ahead and upload it. Upload this image right here. This is how you do it. You just simply create it and you should be good to go. Then you can just simply click on save as draft, and then just simply publish it. Once it's published, you should be good to go. I mean, of course, I actually created a blog post as well, but I just wanted to tell you how you can create one so that I won't have to do it later on. Now let's go back to our homepage, and now we have some pages, and then you can go ahead and delete some as well. So as you can see, we already have a page. You can go ahead and delete a page if you want to. It depends on you. So to create a category, we're going to go ahead and click on post over here and click on categories. And over here, we can see we already have a post. We already have a category. We'll leave it at that. We already have unrecognized categories. We'll delete that. We'll keep this one right here. To add a new category, all you have to do is add the name, add the slug of it, just select a parent category if you want to, and then just simply add a description and you should be good to go. Let's say we'll say restaurants, right? And then we'll add a slug. The slug is the URL friendly versions. It usually is all lowercase and contains only letters and numbers and hyphens. So we'll just say restaurant, and then we'll just select a parent category over there, and then we'll just add a description, and then we'll just simply click on add new category. It has now been added. Now we need to create a new blog post, which you already know how to create. Actually create a blog post, what you need to do is click on add new post right here on the post section. You will have all posts, add new with AI, add new post right here. And again, just do all the things that I told you before. We'll add a heading right here, and we'll add the paragraph, and then again we'll add a separator, wide line, then we'll add another heading. This will be the name of the restaurant, add a paragraph, and over here will be the description of the restaurant. That looks good. Then you can add a image of that restaurant as well. So we'll just go ahead and click on image. Now we just simply upload it. Let's go ahead and upload this image right here. As you can see, it looks good. And then you can add the location and the number and all of that for the restaurant, and then you are good to go. Then you just simply click on publish, and here we go. Now we can view this post as well. Click on view, created the blog post for your website, and you are basically done. After that, you just add your own touches to it. I just showed you how you can do it in the most simple and basic way. You can mess around with it and be creative with how you feel like. Having said that, thank you guys for watching. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comment sections down below. I'll be sure to get back to them as soon as possible. And if you learned and you found this video educational, then be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications. Also watch these other videos on Hostinger.